Guys, I'm stopping by for a few minutes only because I want to give you this beautiful shots to show you the scenic sights right here on top of Dahiat Namar on the way to the Al Awsat Valley. Here I'm standing and facing the direction to Al Awsat Valley, and this car coming in is running the direction going to the Lower Dirab area. And probably you are asking, where is the Dahiat Namar Mountain located in Riyadh? Well guys, this is the mountain range that you see to the left side on your way to the red sand while you are driving along the Lower Dirab area. To give you an additional information about the Dahiat Namar and where is it located in Riyadh, as I said, this is the mountain range that divides the Valley of Al Awsat and, of course, the Lower Dirab area. Now, I'm here at the Valley of Al Awsat eastern side, and we are on our way back to the city center. To the left side, it's a private farm. The Valley of Al Awsat, by the way, is composed of public parks and, of course, private farms. There are several public parks here, but they are not so popular. But I tell you guys, they have an amazing landscape and scenic sights. All right. So again, this is the Al Awsat Valley eastern side, and few distances from here, we will be turning right to drive straight, crossing the Dahiat Namar Mountain. Now here we go. We are now taking the right turn, and few distances from here also you will see a road to the left side. That road is going to the red sand. All right, this one, guys, the road that you see to the left side, and this one, yes, you see that road. That road will lead you to the red sand, and from here probably the distance is 10 to 15 kilometers. Now we have officially entered the Dahiat Namar Mountain Road, and do not be surprised with the condition of the road because this is, I think the category of this road is tertiary road, a road that connects the farm areas to the highway. So now, here we go. We have started already climbing the Dahiat Namar Mountain. And by the way, I will be uploading a separate video, road drive video actually, crossing the Dahiat Namar Mountain from the Valley of Al Awsat, ending up to the Lower Dirab area highway. So watch out for that video that I'm going to give you in a separate upload. Guys, please keep watching my channel and my page on Facebook and YouTube for you to know a new place of adventure, new places that I am discovering for you to visit, enjoy, and explore.